When I first started investing, I didn't know what the hell I was looking at. Understanding charts of any kind was extremely complicated. Like, all I knew was that it went up and it went down. That's all I knew. But today, I'm going to show you guys what candlesticks really are and the characteristics between each one. I mean, for starters, take a look at this candle. It's green and tall, which will signal a buy. And of course, the opposite, a red candle, which signals a sell-off. People are sometimes feeling a certain way at the lows and the highs, like a fight between war and oblivion. Now that you understand that, let's go over some of the candlesticks individually and help you better understand, shall we? Also, I do want to keep in mind that if you actually look at the candle here, whenever it's bullish, right, price will start actually at the bottom of the candle, and of course vice versa. If you ever see like a bearish candle, usually the price will start at the top and it will go to the bottom, right? Just so you guys know. So we have the first candle. This is more of a bullish candle. Usually if I see this would be a strong buy for me, right? Especially if you see multiple. This candle just gives a very strong buy signal, really and truly. That just means that people are just buying and it's going straight up, right? It's not taking its time, it's not hesitating, it's not going in the middle. It's none of that. This is a clear indicator that it's going bullish. Number two, right? So now we have the hammer candle. So this candle right here is still an indicator that it's a bullish, the price is going bullish, but it's usually like, okay, say if like price is going down and I see it like level off a little bit, and I see this candle paired up with the last candle in the first one that I showed you, then that's definitely giving a strong buy for me, right? So now we have the inverted hammer. It still indicates some sort of a buy, but I wouldn't really bet on this candle, right? Because literally price started from the bottom, it went all the way up, and it kind of crunched down a little bit, right? And that will kind of influence certain traders or buyers to potentially like sell on this position, right? Because then they're not gonna, I wouldn't bet all my money on this candle. This is like uncertainty. Now we're moving on to the springing top, right? So this is where it gets a little complicated, right? Because this is where it shows that buyers and sellers, they don't even know what the hell they're doing, right? They're confused, right? They like in the middle of the mountain. They're like, oh, do I want to go up or do I want to go down? Me seeing this, like say if I were to see the spinning top and I were to see the first one right after that, the first candle I showed to you right after that, then that would indicate a more better buying position, right? Now moving on to the next one. Okay, now this one is very tight. It is it is very tight. They call this one the dragonfly doji, right? So the thing is that this candle, yeah, it's still a buy. The fact, if I were to see this and say if price start right there at that spot right there that I'm showing you right here, and it goes all the way down to the bottom to the T, right? Goes all the way to the bottom, and all of a sudden it goes up just a little bit. It can be a buying position. It can be, but when I see stuff like this, I don't know, it just feels like a lot of manipulation in the market, in my opinion. But I wouldn't really bet on this exact candle. This is just showing like, this is showing a lot of buy because people obviously bought up during the whole time of the candle being created. So yeah. Yeah, I would buy if I saw, you know, a few of these candles and like that was, maybe that's like the middle candle, right? So, and yeah, and of course guys, you know, these candles are red or green. Whatever I tell you is the exact same, like it's the exact same meaning on the opposite side. So if you were to go to the bearish, you see like it's the exact same thing. You know, these are the candles that you want to look out for. If you're following a downtrend or you're following an uptrend, it's good to understand this, right? Because by you understanding, you kind of understand, okay, what are people really feeling, right? Are people feeling bullish, or are people feeling bearish? This will give you like a little clue. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and yeah, see you in the next one. Peace out.